my LA house. It was it was nice. It was expensive. I was like, this is a great booking. This guy's going to stay here. And I told him, I was like, listen, man, I like gave him a very like straightforward, you yeah, mine's still tripping out. I need to clear the cache out next time. Again, let's see. So Nvidia, they're down 0.78. AMD's down 1% now. Apple's on the high, so that could be good. Was that Walmart, J&J? I saw another one, AutoZone. And then JP Morgan, Generac on the high as well. Then Myrna, Tesla is back
Order
up. And again,
submitted.
Stellantis, another automaker up there. No MGM news yet. That's the crazy part. Again, I don't think they've even filed anything because I think it's still ongoing. But we are still waiting on that.
Order filled.
Let's see. Nikolai dump. When you log in, like on the login page, there's like a little gearbox that you could do. The Disney news, I think it's just kind of part of their theme right now. I think they're trying to get out all the good and bad news all at once to kind of make up for this and set them up until their next earnings. So again, I think they're trying to do stuff, but all I see from the news is cutting fat and trying to lower the bar. In a weird way, I think they're trying to sandbag it. Mm-mm-mm. You feel like you're losing it? Why are you alive? You can't connect to any other human? Oh, because you were made for something. It may not be what you think it is. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, baby. Remember, fear, no fear. Fear never comes from God. Only, you know what I'm saying? Stay head up, baby. Stay head up, baby. Head up. You know, the connection is it's a different connection. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. That's just you'll see it, but it's not gonna be. You may want it one way, but it could be different. That you may be destined for a different connection. It doesn't have to be every connection, you know. Well, good morning, baby. Good morning. Mm. Oh, I take the sweater off, bro. It was really cold in the morning, and now it's like really hot. Mm-hmm. All right, Disney's already way down. Tesla keeps going. AMD's on the high now. Again, these charts hate us. At least the SPY chart works a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this so it could find its way home. RKLB on the high. Oracle is still going. You don't want to play futures on CL, maybe playing USO. You could. I mean, I would just play MCL. You know what I'm saying? Like MCL is very small. Like again, it moves like $10 every penny or something. So I think on the MCL it might be like $100 for every 10 cents, or no, maybe less than that. It may be like $100 for every dollar that oil moves. So that's if you want to be tied to it. And why I say that is just because sometimes USO may not really link up with the price of oil, if that makes sense. But MCL is if you have that availability, but that's what I would do. So anytime I want to play oil small, that's it. If you remember, we were in oil like recently at $78. I just kept flipping it, and I got nervous holding it above 80 because I was like, it's gonna fucking come down like every other time because everybody controls it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got to watch out for. But for the most part, I think you could play very, very small. You have to watch out for the downside. You know, right now the problem with oil, if you get in on 92, if it runs, you're going to be very early and you're going to love it. However, if it comes down from here, just don't forget oil has gone up a 30% in the last couple of weeks. No exaggeration. So that means, you know, on any commodity, you try to go into oil right now, that is the risk to reward where it's like you could run it up if things go crazy. Otherwise, if it goes back down, I mean, you're taking on 30% of risk. So that becomes the problem. Mm. Clearing cash did not help. It's something we gotta email them or something for real because it's been like this for a while. Okay, AMD's coming up. Nvidia's kind of chilling. Pfizer's moving, but again, a lot of these names are still in the gulag. They got to get up. Shopify on the low. Baba, man, we ain't seen the Baba plays and the China plays move, actually. Now that I think about it. Ugh. A lot of things are still chilling. The ARM IPO. It was good. We got the shares. I mean, it's still there. Yeah, they didn't give me yeah, Robinhood didn't give me the shares. So they don't block you, but I just saw it and then it disappeared. And they gave me my money back. Boom. So Robinhood priced Instacart. You either got it or not. Yeah, they didn't like me. That's it. I saw it this morning. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get it now. I just refresh. It's not there. Now my money's in my account. Same here, got nothing. It's okay. Instacart, I think it's gonna be Cart. Rivian on the low. Am Dizzle. There's Tesla. SPY's coming up here again. We're still down by 0.117. Remember, we were actually good pre-market. It really, really wasn't that bad. Tesla still running up. Where's Amazon? Amazon's down 1.6. This no do good for them. That's crazy. B&O. You could, again, all the oil plays, it's the same thing. You know, the worry is that the last year, after all of the government actions, you know, oil wouldn't hold up. The fact is now oil is actually running up. So the question is, does it go crazy from here, or is this just something temporary? Because if it's temporary and it comes back down, and this was just like a burst on oil, but it doesn't like start a trend, then oil is just going to come right back down, and we're going to be just in the same exact spot. That's why all the effects on the dollar, all that stuff, won't be as important if that was the case.
Snub filled.
Pfizer pop. See if it goes more. Yeah, card IPO. Check your Robinhood if you got shares or not, or wherever you applied though. But I think Robinhood is putting out all the